I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add interactive widgets to your iPhone's home screen.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step one is to enter the edit mode on your home screen. So you can tap and hold on the wallpaper behind your apps to enter the edit mode. And then let's scroll over to the next page and add something here. I'm going to click edit on the top left, and then I'm going to click add widget. Here you can scroll through all the widgets that are available, especially within particular apps that you might have. So in this case, I'm going to click on the Coinbase app, and we can add a watch list, whether it be the small or large. You can look at an even larger one. You can look at a specific asset price. I'm going to go with the giant watch list here and add the widget, and it will automatically put it somewhere on your home screen. You can then tap and hold to drag it somewhere else on your home screen, wherever you see fit. And when you're ready, click done on the top right and you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.